Hello, Maranatha. I'm Corey Bianchi-Rossi, Chief Advancement and Design Officer. Here is this month's main recap video. Let's take a look back at the second month of school, which didn't slow down much after a very busy start to the school year. Fall Fest Week is one of our 3 spirit weeks here at the Academy. Students pre-K through grade 12 build school spirit by participating in theme days for the week. At the end of the week, there was a pep fest to celebrate our fall sports athletes, and this year there was an Ironman volleyball tournament, which was won by the seniors. Well done. The Fall Days dance brings a fun week to a conclusion as the gym turns into a dance hall. Students in grades 9 through 12 dressed up and danced the night away. A special shout out to the Student Council for organizing the event and some of our amazing parents for supplying some delicious food. This year's See at the Pole brought our student body together as they gathered around the flagpole to pray for our school, community, and nation. The Parents with Purpose organization hosts a few informal coffee get-togethers, giving parents the opportunity to connect in a very casual setting. This past month, there was a Dads and Coffee event, as well as a Mom's Coffee meetup at Kingdom Coffee. If you missed these, be sure to get the next ones on your calendar. It is a great chance to meet other MCA parents. The first Maranatha mornings took place this past month. Here, parents are invited to the coffee house to hear more about the school, from our leadership, as well as some special guest speakers. The chapel band played prior to the start of the event, while guests got their free coffee and pastry, and the high school choir also performed later in the morning. If you missed this one, the next one will take place on November 17th. We hope to see you there. Maranatha hosts a very impactful and unique outreach and fundraiser called Meals for Minneapolis. Over the course of a month, MCA families raised money for the school and the outreach. Then, to close out the event, students, staff, and volunteers gathered to pack 60,000 meals that got distributed to local food shelves. Not only were we able to bless our community, but our hardworking families raised over $126,000. Thank you to everyone who participated. Maranatha's strategic plan is the roadmap that the executive team uses to guide the school. One key aspect is to be a leader in the Christian education space. As part of this goal, MCA hosted the Rooted Conference with special guest speaker Roger Erdvig, author of the book Beyond Biblical Integration. 7 other Christian schools gathered to learn more about teaching from a biblical worldview. A special thank you to our chapel and jazz bands for performing. The fall sports season is coming to a close, and we have had some great success in our Mustangs athletics department. Boys soccer made it to the section final game for the 2nd year in a row before falling to the number 1 seed Cristo Rey. Senior Grant Bennett had 6 shutouts this season as the team finished with a 12-7 record. Anna Sather led the girls soccer team with 7 goals this season, and senior goalie Abigail Roberson stood strong in the net throughout the year, notching 11 saves. The team finished the season with a 4-11-2 record. The volleyball team made history under new head coach Drew Rangieri by securing the most wins in a season, and are headed to the playoffs. Destiny Wiggins leads the team with 168 kills, and Ashley Yost has 59 aces on the season. The team is looking forward to a successful tournament run. Cross-country team, coached by Justin Fadd and MCA alum Rachel Havland, finished 7th in the conference this year. Senior captain Gavin Kirschbaum finished 4th in the Watertown meet, while Ryan Dane finished 10th. Well done, guys. This year's Coop Sports features some Mustangs making a huge impact on their teams. The MCA football players participate in the Providence Academy Co-op and are a vital part of the team, playing some key positions. Senior Max Clausen leads the team with 500 receiving yards. The team is excited to make a run in the playoffs, which start this week. The girls swim and dive at Osseo High School have 3 Mustangs that are making a splash. The team competes in a tough conference and looks to see what the tournament will bring. MCA student Paige Krings swims on the A relay team. Well, that does it for the main recap. Stay rooted in Him, Maranatha.